Hey, hi, welcome back to my channel, and this is Abniya Ravindran, and today we are going to see how to prepare chewy mithai at home. Let's go into the video. In a low flame, add a half cup of ghee and a half cup of gram flour. Let the flame be low. Give a good mix. So once this is mixed well, now add half cup of maida. Mix well together. So keep stirring like this until the raw smell goes and the nice aroma comes. So this process will take around like 6 to 7 minutes only in the low flame. So now you can see like it has got the larger bubbles on it, and that is a perfect consistency. Now you can switch off the flame and you can transfer in a plate. So let this rest for a while. Now take a kadai, add 1 cup of sugar, half cup of water. Mix well together until it gets dissolved. So let the flame be in a medium to high. So when the sugar syrup is coming to this consistency, I mean the bigger bubbles, add a half lemon juice. And add a pinch of salt. So stir well. To know whether the sugar syrup consistency has come to the right level, just add a few drops of sugar syrup to the water like this and just try to collect it. And if it's not coming and dissolving like this, then it's not the right consistency. Now I'm adding some cardamom powder to it and just give a good mix like this. And again now I'm adding the sugar syrup into the water to know whether the consistency has come. So just see the sugar syrup has settled well, and yes, it's coming. So this is the perfect consistency. Now you can turn off the flame and you can transfer in a greased aluminum plate. So now I have transferred it. Now take a fork and just give a good mix like this. When it is hot, so keep stirring like this until it reaches to a white, smooth and silky consistency. It will take around like 5 to 8 minutes. So keep stirring like this. Don't leave in the middle. So now you can see it has reached to the some white, silky, smooth consistency. Grease your hands with the ghee and now just mix it well like this by your hands. I know it will be very hot, but don't leave it. Just mix it well like this just for 3 to 5 minutes. So now add this mixture in the maida and the gram flour which we already prepared. So now mix well into it. So this is also the procedure to make the son papdi sweet. So some of them knows how to make the son papdi. I will try to upload the son papdi video soon. So mix well together like this. So now rest it for some half an hour and take the dough and roll like this. I'm adding the cashew and badam grinded powder on it, and this will really give you a very rich taste. Once this is added, again roll like this just to get immerse that powder into the dough, and now roll like this as I am showing in the video. Once this is rolled, add the grinded cashew and badam powder on it and cut this. The delicious chewy mithai is all ready, and now I'm garnishing it with badam on it. You can even garnish it with cashew, pista or any dry fruits on it you like. Now I will show you how chewy it is. Just see this. It's really wow, right? So that's the main reason I named it as chewy mithai. So don't ever forget to try this easy, delicious recipe at your home. This is just out of the world. So hit like if you really enjoyed this video, and don't ever forget to subscribe my channel. Hit on the bell button to get on my notification instantly. And thank you so much for watching.